Hey, it's Anissa, and everyone knows that disinfectant has been sold out everywhere. In fact, it's one of our most requested items, so we went on a search to try to find it for you. And we found a local company that has been providing this to hospitals, schools, and nursing homes. And now, for the first time ever, this is available to consumers in our exclusive kit. This is called Nemesis, and this stuff is great. It kills 99.9% of viruses, germs, bacteria, and more. Plus, it's EPA registered, and this will disinfect your countertops, tables, light switches, desks, bathrooms, and more. Now, this is manufactured from a local company right here in the USA, and they've developed this exclusive kit just for us. What you get is a 32-ounce bottle with a sprayer and a 1-gallon refill jug. So this is going to last you a long, long time. Now, remember, this kills all kinds of germs like influenza, E. coli, salmonella, HIV, and so much more. And this is easy and ready to use right out of the bottle. When you get your kit, take the sprayer and attach it to the 32-ounce bottle. Then to use, just spray any hard surface, let it sit a bit, and then wipe clean. You've just now protected yourself and your family from 99.9% of those germs and bacteria out there. More to love about this disinfectant is because it's made for industrial use, it has little to no odor, so it's great for people with even the most sensitive of smell. And because it kills bacteria, it actually eliminates odors. Now, the best thing is, this is available right now in stock and shipping today. Remember, it's made in the USA, and if you've been looking for disinfectant, you're not going to find anything better on the market. So head on over to PulseTV and grab your kit today.